This week, Google launched its Opinion Rewards application to 5 additional countries, including Colombia, Finland, Hungary, South Africa, and Vietnam. This is an application that was first launched 9 years ago, but it's one that many people still have no idea about. Since its launch, the application has been made available to over 34 countries, and many of us have redeemed well over $100 in Google Play credit since then. I personally started using the application back in 2013, with my first survey paying out $1 in credit. Since then, I've seen most surveys pay anywhere between 10 cents to 35 cents. But every now and then, another big paying survey comes through the app and helps keep my account stocked with Google Play credit. These credits can be used anywhere on Google Play, whether it's for buying premium apps and games, using them for in-app purchases, or getting a new book and movie that's available in the Play Store. Surveys can be anything from, did you just search for this phrase, so that Google can follow up and find out if their results were useful, or something more specific like, how was your experience in such and such store that you were just at? You can see the frequency in which surveys come in can be somewhat random, where sometimes I'll get over 10 surveys in the span of a month, while other months I'm only offered 1 or 2 surveys to complete. So I wanted to take today to tell you all to go and install this free application from the Play Store. I'll be linking to it in the video description below, but you can also find it by opening up the Google Play application and searching for Google Opinion Rewards. If this application is available in your country, then you'll see it in the list. Now, I can't guarantee that you'll be given as many surveys as I have received. I know I get way less surveys than some other people I know, but I also seem to get more than some others as well. I will say that if you have this application installed already, and it seems like it's been some time since you have had a survey offered to you, then I suggest you go into the app info section of the Google Opinion Rewards application and check out the permissions. The more data the application has access to, the better Google is at matching you up with a company who wants to pay for you to complete one of these surveys. So go into the permissions section and be sure to allow access to these permissions so that Google knows more about you and how you are using your device. Because again, the more data they have on you, the more surveys then they can offer to you. You can even disable this unused app permission if you feel that the application is getting its permission removed because you haven't used it in a long time. I also wanted to make note that this Google Play Store credit will expire after a year. So let's say I did a survey today that was worth 25 cents. That 25 cents credit will stay on my account for a year before it will expire. And you can see a note right here telling me part of my balance is going to expire on November 2nd. So if I don't spend this money by November 2nd, then I'm going to start to see some of this credit being removed from my account. You should have an entire year from getting that Google Play credit to use it. So as a reminder for those who have been using this app for a while, be sure to check the app every now and then to make sure that you are actually not going to lose the Google Play credit that you have received already. So that's a summary of the Google Opinion Rewards application. This isn't something that's allowed me to buy anything and everything in the Play Store that I want, but it has helped me to buy things that I otherwise wouldn't have paid for if I actually had to buy it with real money.